Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Puru Dhawan. Today, I will discuss the health benefit of adding oats to your diet. Additionally, I will provide some tips on incorporating oats into your meals. So let's start this video. Oatmeal is a classic breakfast that I'm sure you would love to continue enjoying while battling kidney disease. So it's important to understand the properties of oats. Oats are high in fiber, which can help clean up our intestine, detoxify our body, and boost our digestive systems. Oats are also easy to digest and can provide a lots of strength. However, it's worth noting that oats have less strength compared to wheat and rice. Now I will explain which individual can consume oats and in what amount. For individuals who have normal body weight, incorporating oats in their diet is perfectly acceptable. On the other hand, if you are underweight, it is recommended that you avoid consuming oats on a daily basis because this diet can cause weight loss and it's crucial to strengthen the patient's body. When someone is suffering from kidney failure, they leak protein through urine. Therefore, we must try to restore the protein in their body with food. Now, when it comes to oats, we have two options. Either can make it salty with vegetables or we can make it sweet. If you enjoy both sweet and salty flavors, you can try both variations. However, if you have high blood pressure, it is important to use less salt. Adding vegetable is a great way to make it more nutritious. Now you can also use cumin seeds to add more flavor to it. And let me tell you, if you are keeping your salt intake low, you should avoid using any sourness such as lemon or snack spice. Instead, you can use pomegranate seeds or gooseberry to make it a bit sour. Now let's discuss sweet oats for a moment. They are great, but we usually add milk to it. However, we need to be mindful of a kidney patient who requires a low protein diet. If you add milk, then it should be in a small quantity. Also, use sugar as a sweetening agent instead of brown sugar or jaggery. These options have undefined substance which can harm kidneys and increase potassium level. This is especially true for jaggery. If you make it sweet with jaggery or brown sugar, it is possible that our potassium level may spike up because the kidney cannot filter extra potassium. So, double refined sugar is the best option which is easily available from the market. Let's move to the next topic. Is consuming oat beneficial for constipation? The answer is yes. If you are experiencing constipation, oats can be highly beneficial due to their high fiber content. They assist in the formation of stool and increase its volume, make it easier to pass. By incorporating oats into your diet, you can improve your bowel movement and reducing constipation. Therefore, oats provide numerous health benefits. I hope you understood today's topic. Remember to maintain a balanced diet to stay healthy. If you have any question, please feel free to contact us.